Good morning, boys and girls. Bringing to you our math lesson of the day. We are going to start with a new game. It's called Guess My Number. So I'm going to show you my screen, and you're going to have to tell me what number is hidden by that blue oval. Are you ready? Go ahead and cover your eyes, and I'm going to count to 3 and tell you to open them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's my number? Did you say 3? That's awesome, you guys. You are doing a great job in recognizing your numbers 0 to 5. All right, the next screen I'm going to show you has got some dots on it. And we're going to very quickly look at our dots to see how many are there. We don't have time to count them. It's going to be a very quick flip, just like a snap of your fingers. So as you can see, I'm going to show you there are 1, 2, 3, 4. But very quickly, we're going to have to go from not seeing anything to boom, seeing 4 dots. And your brain has to think very quickly to know you see 4 dots. All right, these dots I'm going to show you are going to be in a tens frame. So go ahead and tell me, how many dots do you see? Ready? How many dots did you see? Did you say 4? You did a great job. Are you ready? How many dots did you see? Great job. You saw 1. Are you ready? How many dots did you see? That's right. You saw 3 dots. Oops. All right. One more time. How many dots did you see? That was fast. You saw 5. Last time. How many dots did you see? That's right. You saw 4. That's called subitizing. When we subitize, we are very quickly looking to see how many dots we see on a page. Right now it's easy. It's just our number 0 to 5, but soon our numbers are going to get bigger. I hope you guys have a great day.